ready to go to the table. Just want to take our chicken out. So that we get to all those good chickpeas better. And we have a nice serving bowl to go to the table with. And then we can arrange the chicken right back on top of that. All right. Very good.